read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, our letter is lowercase letter p. What are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to identify the lowercase letter p and learn the vocabulary words that start with the sound p, 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 p. Look over here. Today, first of all, we will teach these vocabulary words: parrot, paint, and pencils. We have to make different flashcards like pen, peacock. Yes, absolutely right. Okay, after that, I saw a pretty parrot sitting by the paints and pencils. I saw a pretty parrot sitting by the paint and pencils. Now, after teaching this, you will ask different questions from the students. You could ask about these colors, about the parrot, about the pencils, how many pencils are there, and name the colors of the paint in the given theme. And the last one, where was the parrot sitting? After that, here is the cake and the candles. Okay, we will blow the candle and say okay. I hope so you understood the formation of letter P. You will teach, start from second line, come straight down, make semicircle. It will make lowercase letter P. And the sound of P is P, 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 P. Pencils, paint, peacock, parrot. I hope so you enjoyed it a lot. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.